Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view or see your blocked number list on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app on this page and then select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner and you want to select the settings button. And then go down underneath General where it says Blocked Numbers. Go ahead and select that. And then it will give you a list of all of your blocked numbers here. If you wanted to remove them, you could click the little X mark next to the number to unblock them, or conversely, you could add additional numbers to your block list by selecting Add a Number. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.